Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So we are shorting the market today as the market the day after Thanksgiving begins to sell off. So I hope that you learned something new, and if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing as I upload new videos every single day about the stock market. Now, one of the first things that I want to cover is during today's live trading session, it was very easy to see that we were showing up to be bearish, meaning that the market was selling off. One of the main things that I like to focus on is QQQ. It's a NASDAQ ETF. And during the pre-market session, I was seeing QQQ form lower highs and lower lows. And by the time as we were transitioning into market open, we began to see a lot more selling pressure. Now we began to establish our support right around that like 287 level to 286.50, but a lot of consolidation right around 287 where we're not really seeing much progression below 287. We do fall below it for a short period of time and then we quickly begin to recover. We fall below it for a short period of time and then we quickly begin to recover. So that really helped me identify kind of this like support range, right? Because if I'm shorting something, I need to see where that supply level is for the NASDAQ market, because if I'm shorting it, I need to make sure I need to know where I want to get out of once we get to that level. And it's this EMA line that has been acting as a resistance level on that 5-minute time frame for the remainder of the day. Even right now, I mean, we have 30 minutes left until the market closes. Friendly reminder, by the time this video uploads, you'll probably just have a couple more minutes. The market today closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time or at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, depending on where you are within the United States, right? So in just a couple of minutes, market should be closing for you guys. And again, a little bit more on the bearish side. So one thing that I do want to share with you guys is based off of the different articles that I was reading is like, what is causing so much of this selling pressure? And first off, this isn't even that bad of a red day. It's barely down 0.5%, and then SQQQ is up 1.6%. Again, this is a triple leverage ETF. This goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. I'm up $10,000 on the day. I just added a little bit more than, I just added 5,000 more shares to my position, adding right around the EMA line, and then expecting to sell, again, my goal. Goal is something to work towards, not something that has to pan out exactly according to plan. But my goal is to sell right around 44.85 to 44.90. That's been a very common resistance level. And again, if we look at QQQ, that's most likely when we're approaching that 286.80 support range for the NASDAQ market. But where is this inconsistency or selling pressure coming from? And it's, well, today's Black Friday, right? And it's just, I think the conditions, right? There is no question that a lot of people are becoming more aware because of higher interest rates and really high inflation that this time going around, even Jeff Bezos himself, right? The founder of Amazon talked about that this holiday season, because of the uncertainty of this recession, you're going to want to be a little bit more careful with your spending. Maybe, save and wait on buying that new TV or that new bicycle. And that's something, and that's from coming from someone that, benefits from all those e-commerce sales. And to hear him saying that just kind of, I think, expresses the uncertainty that a lot of people have for this potential recession. So the way that I view this, it's kind of a domino effect. We might not see it all today, but there is no question. I mean, just ask your friends and family. Are they spending more this year or 2 years ago when they were printing out all of those stimmy checks, right? When everyone was getting a stimmy check, the stock market was going up because people knew that the market was going to get put back into the economy. And again, the economy grows when more money is being circulated. But as of right now, if people are saving money or people are being more cautious, especially during a very critical time of the year known as Black Friday or Cyber Monday, then guess what? That's going to hurt not just the economy right now, but the domino effect of later down the road for all these different e-commerce companies or tech companies when it comes down to their quarterly earnings, right? Because you have to think all of these advertisement platforms as well, if all the businesses that run on these advertisement platforms such as Meta platforms, Google, Alphabet, YouTube, whatever the case might be, if they see that they're not seeing that same type of demand that they saw to last year and their cost per result is much higher, then at that point, they're more likely to spend less money. Excuse me. Just like the consumer. Oh, excuse me. I was choking there. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys kind of keep that in mind as we transition into next week. I mean, I want you guys to enjoy this holiday weekend with your family and your loved ones, but to take into consideration that the economy is slowing down, and if the economy continues to slow down, then these companies are going to feel the impact as the months continue to follow, right? Because what is happening right now won't get reported until the first quarter of 2023, right? Because during the quarterly earnings, it's always what happened on the previous quarter that gets reported. So please just take that into consideration on how that might positively or negatively influence your specific place. And there it goes. Look at that. 12,700, 12,500. I'm going to get my limit order ready to sell, and I'm going to sell 4,500 shares, and I'm going to put this with the limit order of 44.85, and we'll see if we actually get it filled. So I'm going to put this limit order there, selling 200 and 1,000. Yep, there it goes. Selling that with that limit order, and we should be good to go. We'll see if we get filled. I'll keep you guys up to date on Instagram. Very grateful for this day after Thanksgiving for a nearly $13,000 gain. My goal today was $10,000. Obviously, I'm trading with a pretty large dollar amount, but a lot of scalping today. A lot of buying pre-market, selling the highs, buying the lows, selling the highs, buying the lows, selling the highs, and just like you saw right now, buying the lows and selling the highs once again. So although the day it only offered about 2% margin, I mean, we made the most of it, and there it goes. We just hit 13,000 for a short period of time. So by the time I reduce my position size, I should be at 13,000. I'll keep you guys up to date on Instagram, or if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, I'll keep you up to date via Discord. So I appreciate your time. Again, for those that have been waiting for a big discount, we're running our biggest sale to $150 off. It's the second link in the description. And if you sign up for Learn Plan Profit 2.0, you might be asking, well, what's the incentive of signing up during Black Friday? Right now, we're going to be giving away a total of $6,500 cash to 3 lucky winners. So first prize is $3,500 cash, then second place is $2,000 cash, and third place is $1,000 cash. So as long as you enroll within Learn Plan Profit between November 14th and November 28th, you get automatically entered. You don't have to do anything. You guys can use promo code Black Friday at checkout. You don't need to, but if you want $150 off, then make sure that you use it. You'll get automatically entered, and then on November 29th, we will be announcing the giveaway winner. The same thing for TechBuds Apparel. We're doing a 35% off store-wide for trading mouse pads, everything trading related, trading apparel, 35% off, and you get automatically entered towards our $2,000 cash giveaway. So again, a total amount of $8,500 cash you're able to win just with those 2 different options that we're running for our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. And again, all of the links are in the description. So if you want to enroll to Learn Plan Profit, our biggest sale, and also get entered to our Black Friday giveaway, that's going to be that second link down below. And just make sure that when you get here, you click on this link up here, and it will send you on over to that Black Friday giveaway tab. And for the TechBuds Apparel, just head on over to shoptechbuds.com, select your favorite items, and get automatically entered towards the $2,000 cash giveaway. And of course, enjoy that 35% off store-wide. We really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, I'm always one direct message away, especially if you're an absolute beginner. If you're just getting started and you don't know how to start, I don't care what your question is, send me a direct message via Discord. I respond to all of my direct messages, and that is that first link in the description via Discord, or if you're on Instagram, that's the third link in the description. Feel free to shoot me a direct message via Instagram. I appreciate you guys' time. Like always, wish you a happy holidays, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.